Assalamualaikum. Good evening. I am Ramira. I am a student of Rahma Academy. Now I am going to talk about my mother's daily routine. My mother wakes up in the morning. Then she brushes her teeth. Then she says Fajr prayer. After prayer, she recites the Holy Quran. Then she prepares breakfast. We all have our breakfast together. Then she makes me ready for school. Then she walks me to school. Then she cleans the house and washes clothes. She takes care of us. At noon, she says her prayer. Then she takes some rest. In the afternoon, she picks me up from school. Then she says Asr prayer. In the evening, she prepares snacks. Then she says Maghrib prayer. At night, she cooks dinner. Then she takes dinner. Then she goes to bed. Thank you so much for listening to me.